Reopening a closed Chase bank account can be a straightforward process if you follow the necessary steps. Here is a guide to help you through it. Step 1. Gather required information. Before you start the process, collect all necessary information, including your social security number, account number if available, and any identification documents like a driver's license or passport. Step 2. Contact customer service. Call Chase Bank's customer service at their official number or visit a local branch. Explain your situation and express your desire to reopen a closed account. They will guide you through the process. Step 3. Verify your identity. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Review account terms. Once your identity is verified, discuss the terms of reopening the account with a representative. This includes any fees, minimum balance requirements, and the current interest rates associated with the account. Step 5. Complete required forms. If everything is in order, you will need to fill out any required forms to officially reopen your account. Make sure to review the information for accuracy before submitting it. Once you have completed these steps, your account should be reopened. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to ask the bank representative for further assistance.